Butterfly life cycle. Butterfly life cycle. What is butterfly life cycle? The butterfly and moth develop through a process called metamorphosis. Butterflies, moths, beetles, flies, and bees have complete metamorphosis. The young is very different from the adults. It also usually eats different type of food. There are four stages in the metamorphosis of butterflies and moths: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Egg. Eggs are laid on plants by the adult female butterfly. These plants will then become the food for the hatching caterpillars. Eggs can be laid from spring, summer, or fall. This depends on species of butterfly. Females lay a lot of eggs at once so that at least some of them survive. Butterfly eggs can be very small. Caterpillar, the feeding stage. The next stage is the larva. This is also called the caterpillar if the insect is a butterfly or a moth. The job of the caterpillar is to eat and eat and eat. As the caterpillar grows, it splits its skin and sheds it about 4 or 5 times. Food eaten at this time is stored and used later as an adult. Caterpillar can grow 100 times their size during this stage. For example, a monarch butterfly egg is the size of a pinhead, and the caterpillar that hatches from this tiny egg isn't much bigger, but it will grow up to 2 inches long in several weeks. Pupa, the transition stage. When the caterpillar is full grown and stops eating, it becomes a pupa. The pupa of butterflies is also called chrysalis. Depending on the species, the pupa may be suspended under a branch, hidden in the leaves, or buried underground. The pupa of many moths is protected inside a cocoon of silk. This stage can last from a weeks, a month, or even longer. Some species have a pupal stage that lasts for 2 years. It may look like nothing is going on, but big changes are happening inside. Special cells that were present in the larva are now growing rapidly. They will become the legs, wings, eyes, and other parts of the adult butterfly. Many of the original larva cells will provide energy for these growing adult cells. Adult, the reproductive stage. The adult stage is what most people think of when they think of butterflies. They look very different from the larva. The caterpillar has few tiny eyes, stubby legs, and short antenna. The adult have long legs, long antenna, and compound eyes. They can also fly by using their large and colorful wings. The one thing they can't do is grow. Flying comes in handy. The adult female can easily fly from place to place to find the right plants for its eggs. This is important because caterpillars can't travel far. Most adult butterflies live only 1 or 2 weeks, but some species hibernate during the winter and may live several months. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked and enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Please hit the notification bell so that you can get the notification on the new videos immediately. Thank you.